Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga. Good morning around the world, especially mga kaibigan to our organic followers in the different countries and the different races and the different human races and culture, mga kaibigan, and traditions. Thank you so much to all of us, mga kaibigan. We are talking right now. Before that, we are just taking coffee first, and there is no sugar right now here. So, from here in the Philippines, good morning. From the people of Italy, buongiorno. Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. Especially for those people who are our followers, our organic followers in the different countries around the world. Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. And also here in the country, here in the Philippines, the topmost cities here in the country who are our followers. Especially for all the Middle East countries who is our followers out there. Thank you so much to all of you. And also the continent of around the world. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan. And also here from the people of China, Russia, and also from the people of United States of America. Thank you so much for watching us in our video. So, especially our organic followers in the TikTok channel here, and also in our Facebook page and the YouTube, who is our subscriber. We have also a 21 channel in the YouTube and 27 pages in the Facebook page and 15 channel in the TikTok and also Instagram and Silibit. Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. Especially big shout out to Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustillo Boco of the Artisa 11 in Branch 2. He is now a vice executive judge of the Artisa 11, and now he is focusing on the family court. Good morning. To all our organic followers, and especially the newly promoted from patrolman to PCPL. Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. So now we just talking about what are those people. There is a lot of scammer. I do not know, no, here in the country right now in the Philippines. So you need to understand first, mga kaibigan, because it is the knowledge for you. It is in the first place. I am not an expert here to talk about this. But I am just to informing you and reiterating of those informations. It is because that is the most very important and the vital to the people, especially because this what we are talking right now is involving and engaging for the money that we have. Especially, we get hurt in our heart and our mind also, mga kaibigan. It is because if ever that money, it's come from our the heart in money. So, try to understand first, to look and see to it that is genuine. Especially, we are talking right now about the reality or the subdivisions. Because here in the country, there is a lot of scammer to scam or deceive the people who trust to him or on that subdivisions, mga kaibigan. Why? They are convincing the people. Because these kinds of people right now, mga kaibigan. So first, I would like to see and express here in our video right now, mga kaibigan, that the first thing to do in yourselves, in order for you to locate and that is registered, try to go to INDISOD to get the certifications of that certain realty who are selling rolats, especially, mga kaibigan. There is a certifications because all of this subdivision and realty here in the country, here in the Philippines, was under by the DSOD or the Department Human Settlement and Urban Development. So, all the subdivisions was under by the DSODs, and there is a registrations through the DSOD, mga kaibigan. Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development, or the DSOD itself, no, mga kaibigan. So, try to go to and get that, mga kaibigan. So, the questions is, 100% ba makukuha natin, especially all registered, ganon, no? Like, for example, Camellia, etc., Brea, ganon. Nagbabayad ho kayo sa loob ng 6 na taon, 7 taon, pero there is no progress out there in your area, especially in your lot na nabili. 100% ba na makukuha or maibabalik sa iyo yung naibabayad mo, including yung pasiunang bayad at yung per month na bayad mo sa loob ng taon na yan? The questions, my answer is yes. First, there are only 4 steps to do, mga kaibigan. First, write a formal letter, and then you finish the formal letter, forward to the office, no? You can forward to the office. That is the second steps. The third steps, kung magmamagahi pa rin sila, that in your the content of your letter was demanding that to return all yung na-expense mo, mga kaibigan, yung naibabayad nyo po. And then, magmamagahi pa rin sila, try to go to the DSOD for the DSOD commanded to release giving you a certifications commanded in that certain subdivision or realty was returning yung naibabayad nyo. That is a certifications from the DSOD. Pag mamagahi pa rin sila, tigas-tigasan pa rin, go to the ITSAC, the Human Settlement Adjudication Commission, mga kaibigan. That is the higher. That is a commission which is the DSOD is under of these commissions. So, ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Baka, para hindi kayo maloloko, para hindi kayo madidisip ng mga taong to, before that, kung totoo po ang kanilang mga subdivision at realty, there is a registrations through the DSOD. No? First, puntahan yung DSOD. Then second, kung totoo pong sa kanila na po yung lupa, go to the LRA or the Land Registration Authority to locate na yung mother title ba ay totoong nabibili na nila. Kasi there is a mother title before to come up into roulats, which is the partition. No? Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much po, mga kaibigan.